DL News.
Memamo akwaba afe beka me ho ewo Facebook ne so ewo ye DLFM 106.9 esanse kase boni mu foni any videos na ya boaboa no e de akogu eye Facebook ne so na ye mfa kase boni nchemu ankasa ensomu na dom kuma omomra hyebedwamu abomodin akọ eye institution miensa omutimi eye nhwehwemu ye pa ewo Ghana mu e de adesrede akrata e de akoma wom eye Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice a charge for Sanso na Criminal Investigation Department CID edema a Ghana Police Service Sanso an office edema a special prosecutor so momodi anomunye hwehwemu enfemfa ya achade acting a CEO edema Ghana Gold Board a Sami Jemfi ede chena na agrada ne sanse omudo mu hu ni so mampani John Dramani Mahama eden sama betudwa ye nra da kotoni mabosom ne de toso eyedunan ewo mfimpi mienu ni aduonunum ni se eye dwumadi a eye Sami Jemfidi ye na nya ade omo wa so twe bia ede ma ne sanse waba be pa chonto ma hweche opa na wapa ne so ana omode che no we na donkuma chirima emamu nya se chopa ne kekenti no mode eye boni a waye we ede che momomodi na munye hwehwemu a ebetimi aboa na omode omo bo eye mampani kokose wanye hwehwemu a ebia na da chibi no ebe ha adwen esanse adenti ana utimi ekocha eye US dollars na sikapudu egu kan ni mudi omususu se ewoso omobomodi na omuye hwehwemu ede fa ho na omampani asem omabeka no yade a omaji atum na emu momodi omususu se nkan hwehwemu no ebetimi akoso ye pa na ye mumu ni Mohammed Nuruddin a ono na ye mrashebedwani ede magambaga ana edi anima omodi adesrede krata no ekoma eye institution miensa we sanso ana ye minority whip eye Hibib eye Idrisu ene eye deputy general secretary ede ma MPP amanyoko no eye Haruna Mohammed ana omudi anim na omodi adesrede krata yi ekoma wom so momomodi en na omunye hwehwemu emfanfa honom na omudo musinkete pa se eye Sami Jemfi ide oye de wanya de kra yentensema omudi tuja.
So we thought that we should file a petition to the Commissioner General to initiate an investigation into the conduct of Mr. Sami Jemfi, the Acting Chief Executive Officer of Gold Board and the National Communication Officer of the NDC.
Why has this become necessary?
In the last 1 week, we all saw what happened around the country. Mr. Sami Jemfi doling out dollars to Agada. So we were expecting that His Excellency, the President, John Dramani Mahama, is going to act on it. But yesterday, we all saw that the man in charge of communication at the presidency, Felix Bashi, came out to say that the President is not going to take any further actions against Mr. Sami Jemfi because he has apologized. So we thought that that is not proper. We are disappointed in the action of the President. We were expecting that His Excellency, the President, will refer Sami Jemfi to the appropriate institution to investigate the matter and bring finality to the issue. But what did we see? He cleared him without any investigation. So we thought that we should bring the matter up again to the appropriate institution for them to conduct an investigation into the whole issue.
What will be your expectation finally? What will be your expectation of SWAT? The petition has been filed, it's been received. What will be your expectation of SWAT?
We have so much confidence, right? We know they will use the law. They are the institution mandated to, investigate issues of this nature. So we have high expectation that they will do the right thing and bring finality to this issue.
So from here, where are we going?
Yeah. From here, we are going to CID, and from CID, we are going to the OSP to file petitions.
So meaning your suspicion.
Ene ya uti ye eye mumu ni Mohammed Nuruddin a onu na ye mrashebedwani ede magambaga. Yantua Kasiabone Swe na Ministry of Energy and Green Transition for the Samabetuja Omuchema Omuhia Baya 1.1 billion Ghana cedis and Sanometimiya Tofuo Ediego ye power generator nim Esan Sefuo Akano so man sheya ebedu eye 2.6 days pe na chesefuo na sa na chese dumso na anebetimi aba omanimu no mo kasa na omuchema eka omode ebeye ye 2 billion Ghana cedis ana omode ewe ye energy sector honom Esan na so mo de sobo no ebo electricity company of Ghana sika wo so mo je no omo ntimi enji se scanner no so beboa no matimi de ato eye fuel e de agu power eye generator ni me no so e de oha kese ana eba na mo de ensami atudwa e wa bro mo ko eye meeting na omo ne parliamentary energy committee for ekohia ye ene omo kabie wo mu ni na eba omo de ekohia mu wo ho eye yawada kotoni ma bosome ne de to so eye dunum e wo mfimpi mienu ane aduonu num nimu ana ye osoafo John Jinapo edi tudwa na ochema e wo so mo ye ahweye pa e wo ye sector hon mesan se e bafu wo ho sensem a wo so mbomode ano mo hwe na aka ye 2.6 days pe na chese ye fango na omo wo no abomode asade wo so mo bomode ano mo hwe se ombenya ska ombetimi ede ato eye fango ni bi esan se fango omo toni na no eye bosia ana omo bo na omo de atwia eye seska no amodi ato eye fango no e de agu power generator nim na ye Ministry of Finance ana wasa ombomode ana obetwa yeska no e de ma wom na so obechire ma nya de omunsa etimi akaska no te ka be ya omommomode ana e ka omudi omu na omu metwia sanso anodi tudwa na ochem se ye Ghana Water Limited for so no enya ade omutimi chia eye electricity bill e ka omode kran be ye bosomi nsu nie omuntimi encheska no emfe ma ECG for eno nam so ama nsu entimi enyeska emfe ndi dwuma sane ese nti ade nti na moso mu ye institution na mode kana mo pese mu betwia na sa eye EC for no so no so mo pese omunye bibi emfanfa eye nnam kane ane ho adan na mo de beye nti nke be ya ka Ghana Water Limited for so bomodi asa 1 billion Ghana cedis akana omode no ombe bomodi atwia e de ama eye electricity company of Ghana for yente nsem amudi tuja.
Thank you for this opportunity. I'm exceedingly grateful. Thank you. Thank you very much, Honorable Minister. Especially liquor allocations. Cabinet has approved some formula. We'll put that into law and bring it to you. The last time I recall that we nearly passed the MPA. ENI have also indicated that they want to spend about 2 billion in the sector. We're going to bring to Parliament some reforms in respect of the Petroleum Exploration and Production Act and 919 to make it more attractive so that we can bring in people. Because crude oil production light at the end of the tunnel. I believe that we'll make progress. I believe that if we commit together, we'll be able to resolve it. In the petroleum sector, I was with some of your colleagues at OTC. We had a very good time. We met Exxon. They've expressed interest in coming back. We met other companies. They've all expressed interest. Cosmos and the Jubilee partners have indicated that they want to spend dollars. We must raise that money. We must go through procurement. It takes a bit of time. And so I hear people complaining in voltage. It's true, the voltages are not good. But we need to inject some capital. But we must raise the money.
Niya uti ye abra ye parliamentary energy committee for etna se adwendwen ye energy sector ne ho yantoa kasebone so na eye municipal chief executive omuyi no edema fantiakao eye north district ewe poemantem no eye Osman Abubakar eye ade asese ne the assembly members ewo eye district no abomodin ato aba no ede amano na assembly members no eye 41 nemu miensa aneto aba no editia no anemu eye 37 eto aba no edema no nemu baako de nya ade otimi baaye esan bibi nti no wamba ambeto aba no amfa ama no asise omokeka aba ni na abom no anya eye 92% no kire se eye ade a wadi nkunim ewa abatuo nim enu achi na ye Osman Abubakar de nsembetu dwa na ochim say yade ode mampani John Dramani Mahama si ye papa so yi ni so no na emeye district chief executive enfema ye fanti akwa eye north esa se dwumadi a wadi di anya eye nkunimdi a wadi nkoa ana oba beka ho asem na emom de opese omuhu ni se obebomodin ahwe hawa eba eye fanti akwa north amowo se na ebe ye obetimi adi dwuma adi amane manfo na bibia soso no etimi akoye adi amano we na ochema onu de oye team player papa na behwe se epon atutu nna no betimi abiebie sanso ana ye adwin bia obia de bebre ne se onfa no obetimi afa no wadi super pepe enye se wadi nkunimu ntino oba na we kire ne se wonye se ya obeka se wonye o hyebo se dwumadie bia odi beba nanim se ondi no eyade a obedi no kwan suruko nso kwa ede ama wam se ne ebe yom so ne puntuo ebetimi aba ho.
Thank you. I thank the Almighty unreservedly for this day. Honorable Presiding Member On this occasion, I wish to go through all and sundry here gathered to say a big thank you to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the President of the Republic, for my nomination and eventual confirmation. Honorable Presiding Member, albeit my nomination is by divine intervention. However, it could not have been made any better because I am already a friend of the District Assembly. Suffice it to say that I served as an Assembly member from 2015 to 2023. Therefore, I am not new to this District Assembly. Honorable Presiding Member, I want to put on record that this is not a time for claiming victory. This is the time for us to reflect on the hydra-headed challenges confronting the good people of Antiapa and how we can collectively navigate through them in order to bring relief and reprieve to our people. Honorable Presiding Member, I wish to state that I am a team player, therefore my doors are open to all for ideas, strategies, and plans that will lead to the development of Antiapa North as we desire. Honorable Presiding Member, as a personal pledge, I will work collectively, assiduously, diligently, and in consonance with the Local Governance Act 2016 Act 936 as amended to justify the confidence reposed in me. Honorable PM, in closing, as a matter of principle, I humbly call on all well-wishers who will celebrate on this occasion to do so in moderation, because I believe that no one person has won and no one person has lost. Effectively speaking, I believe we have all won and Antiapa North has won.
Eni ya uti ye district chief executive of Somayino Ediama ye fanti Akwa North Osman Abubakar ana wote nkan say ye swana waji atumi sam power bedi oba bedi djuma sonko kra Ediama ne mindful. Yantwa Kasiabone so na Ministry of Roads and Highways edin sama betuja HMA ya dia kronobobi akoso ewo ye tantra hill won kan pipri mantem ho achese eye nipa num bia fasuma sepa eye concrete bemba won na omode soso eye highway nim na ya de omakosen sam ni na abomode ayi ayo roads no ede afri machese video bi twegu ewo social media no so ade akoso na nya ade a etwa ye kura na bra okasa dia fa asem ne ho no ana head of a public relation unit edema a ministry no nessa a amediate edin sem etudwa na ochemu se Jumadi amudi di amoya saye concrete ne betimi ayemre ye papa eno nam so de how kese ana ebebre eye oman ne sanse mu yi iron road ne de free mu no se obi nam kwan ne so kra na ekobugu ne so a eno so aya asem foforo nti Jumadi amudi ne de enya de a etwa ye kra no mabomoden ape eye contractor se ne ebe yo betimi akọ no akosiesie eye boni a amanfo no edi no na emomode totumemfo ni na anim se wo a wunim na wudi sa Jumadi na so obomodi na uje sanse bebre na okwa ya akrata ma motorway no so asa pepepe no moye street light wo ma ni mu ni na no road signs no ma bomodi asese ni na adenti ana wutimi tino mamu na wudi boni se wa wunim se hu susu aso ebeba no enya asem ketwa enfema ema oman no nti wunim se wudi se adwuma na bomodi na giant we ne nsema public relation unit or edema ministry no amediate edi etudwa now by your Facebook ne so DLFM 106.9 ya the video no aba beto so ache so ma wa wo ni hu ni na ede na Ghana fo ankasa kromoji wo wiase mu wa hese ka efa so no wa ni na wi ayoro ni defi so na ka ni sikwan ne so na se bomode na ebuguma eno so mo de ba be sha ba ya ne o mampani ba ye ni say o mampani ba ye say na so ye ankasa na ye di ye ho abro adenti na wo se otimi ko na ko wa wo ni na ye ayon road edi free mu just Ghana de enya sem ketu.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yantwa Kasiabone so na Samuel Adwoa Agyei Oye General Secretary Edema Food and Beverages Association of Ghana. Eden sama betuja HM say market prices no ade omo hwe so mbetimi ateso yesan say no cities no ejina ne nanso ye papa ahoden pa ewom to mo hwe say 60 days eda ye nim de mbetimi aye bibi ede afa ho ewo ye eye dwom honom sane ebeye omo soso no omo ho ebetimi ahenha wom na bro amuni eye DL kasebo etwetwe nkomo eye ndrada kotoni mabosumi ne de toso eye du 9 na Mr. Agri edi tudwa na ochemu se eye ade anipa bebre na ahya ase etetetete ebo ne so ede ama eye omo customers no nti ebedu eye 60 days ne de na chesese no obia tete ne bo ne so na bibia so etimi akoyie ewo man ni mu esan se bebre na atesu nti no so woni obi tijom na obi bana se wo bo no ewo so na obi atene de so eye ade a obebo modin akoto de ne bo wo fam no nti wo hwe nim se 60 days ni bedu ne de na chese obi biara ate ase se ne ebeye obetimi atete ne bo ne so na omo so no etimi edijuma ewo honom omo ne eye Ghana Union of Traders Association for any association of Ghana industry, any minister for trade and industry, Elizabeth Ofosushia no, and omuchire mu se omuni na koma adwen abo mu se eye 60 days ni de omo hwe se ebo no ombetimi atete so e de am customers se ne be ya niam so no ebetimi akoso ye ewo jom ho nti we ne nsem a eye Samuel Ato Agri onu ye general secretary e de ma food and beverages association of Ghana e de aba abetuja ewie na ha anemre be ma ye kwan ne de eye omanjuma kasebo no esie sanse me sorry so na SL e ba betna konya ne subio ende ye Angel Michael ne birthday nti se ne dada ye no ye ba bedi birthday wa hanom ye ba be ye no se ne be ye fam ya minim se edu amanfo de ye principality and powers no obofo oman ne koso wa hanom ti DJ afi be ye international DJ na ni abri ye papa fiti anope na so wo ko be ni ope powder to na so se shatawale nti powder boa ye de SM fans mwa na mama powder ne boa ye de ni afi ba wa chi sa afen anu wanya bi na pedestin powder ni bi krasa na be ye de be kanani no wan se ne o di amanfo eye adwuma mu ha no enya asem ketwa nakase bonum semufo eye Miss Mabel Enchi Kofitela edimiko ye Facebook ne so sanso ana DJ Omarion ebobo me voices no ede ema me amede kasebo yi ebesom wanumre edi ameje so ane Adwoa Agyei Sikapa na me so isu na SL esan abetena akunya ne so